Hey guys, it's Lil Gabi, your friendly internet little person here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about something that I get asked about a lot, and that is my hair. People are always asking me what products I use and how I style my hair, so I thought it was finally time to share it all with you guys. Come with me through this entire process, from washing my hair to putting the products in it to getting this curly girl look. But before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button and to click the bell button so you know whenever I post. Now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, and welcome to my hair care routine. So first things first, I have to take my hair out of this puffy ponytail. As you can see, I definitely needed this wash today. Before I get in the shower, I of course need to turn on my shower time tunes. And because I share a bathroom with average height people, I need to bring the shower head down. Then I hop in and wet my hair. Then it's time to shampoo my hair. My shampoo of choice is the Clean Curls Cleanser by Up North Naturals. I start by using my fingers to run the shampoo through my hair, focusing on my scalp. I then get out my silicone scalp massager that I bought off Amazon. I really like this because it allows me to get deep within my scalp to get rid of all the dirt and grime. I use it to work in the shampoo. Then I run it through my hair to detangle all the knots. I comb my hair from top to bottom to make sure that every strand gets clean. After I'm done, I rinse out all the shampoo. Then it's on to conditioner. For that, I'm using the TLC Replenishing Conditioner, also from Up North Naturals. I work it through my hair, focusing on my ends, because I don't want any split ends. After conditioning, I will either put my hair in a bun or in a braid like I did today, and I'll let it sit for a while. While that sits, I give myself a bath, and then I'll wash out the conditioner. But I won't show you that part. After cleansing myself, I hop back out of the shower. I'll first hand dry my hair with my microfiber towel turban. I really love this towel turban because I always used to see people putting their hair up in their towels on TV shows, and I never figured out how to do it myself. With this, it's super easy. Then I'll tie my hair up in it and secure it by putting the button through the loop on the back. Just like that. Then it's time to go to my room and get dressed. Now I'm in my room and dressed. I'm going to take down my hair and give it a little shake. At this point, my hair is a bit drier, but still damp enough to put product in. The first thing I'm gonna do is use this Rattail Comb to make a slight side part. I really like the part in my hair to be very neat, so I always use a Rattail Comb to be precise. Then I'll go in with my African Pride Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. My mom introduced me to this product. I love it because it makes my hair feel really moisturized, hydrated, and super soft. I usually start by raking it through my hair with my fingers. Then I'll take out my EZ Curly Hair Detangler. As I said, this brush is specifically for curly hair, so I really love it. And I'll use that just to make sure that all my knots are gone. I will usually work in sections using my part as a divider line. So here I am adding the product to the other side. Next, I'll use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This product has definitely become a staple for me because it always helps me define my curls to make sure they're poppin'. So again, I'll rub it in my hand and rake it through my hair with my fingers. And that's about it. Can I get a drum roll, please? And here it is, my final look. Now here's a disclaimer. As some of my curly girls can attest, my curls look different every day, and sometimes shrinkage takes over. However, I still think today's hair looked pretty good. And that's the end of the video. I hope that answered everybody's questions about what I put in and how I do my hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of the products or tools used in this video, I've tried my best to link them all down below. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you know whenever I post. And that's it for today. I hope you have a good day, a good year, and a good life. Bye!